record. Wait for only 1 minute. Others might also come. Just for 1 minute.
Everybody has came, I think, no? Who were in
No,
the previous one.
but Jesslyn was also there. She haven't come. Might be she can come in next 1 or 2 minutes.
Yeah, I am putting a message in the group. Okay, so let's start and then I will tell
Yes,
them.
now start the class.
Yeah, so so in the components bar, you have to click on the button 1 and there is a property here only rename. So this property is used when we make bigger apps and there are so many components. So we are not able to recognize the buttons and the things properly. So we rename them. So click on rename and it will show you the old name and ask for the new name. So you have to, in the new name, you have to write for the first button size size plus, and you will see the button when name changes to size plus. And as well you have to do for the button 2. For the button 2 the name will be size, you can write minus, so I am writing min only. For the button 3 name will be erase. Then for the button 4 it will be color. For the button 5 it will be about. And for the image picker the name will be image. Yes, now one more thing, new thing. This about button is not working in this screen. It is for another screen. So this about button will open another screen. So to add a screen, you have to click this button, add screen. Okay, click on this button, add screen. And the
Excuse me,
screen name, yes.
we have to change image also. We have to rename image also.
Yeah, image picker you have to rename as image.
Okay.
So this screen name, if we want to open the other screen, that this screen name we have to add as it is. It is case sensitive. So you will not make any change in the screen name. Okay. Just click on OK now.
Excuse me,
Yes.
in my app inventory
You
saying
send
that
me.
component instance names cannot be the same as a component type. When I was writing the image part.
Okay. Show your
Sayog,
screen.
why are you adding? Sayog, why are you adding screen 2?
I am adding for that about button now. So they will write about themselves, and if they will click, so they can open the other screen.
So have you added a button in the screen one for going to about screen?
Yeah, I've added.
Quickly send me the EIA file. This
Yeah,
one
I
only.
will send it. Good Sahej, till then you share your screen.
Quickly send me just now only.
I'm having my
Yeah,
laptop.
let the designing part be completed, then I'll send you.
Excuse me,
Yeah,
I'm saying that when message is coming to me, component instance names cannot be the same as a component type.
सर मेरी स्क्रीन पे भी यही आ रहा है
When I was writing the image part.
okay, erase the new name and write in small, all the letters in small. And Gursaj, please tell me if it works. Yeah, so now
Has
let's
worked.
come back to our part. It is working.
Yes.
So in this screen, we will do the same: align horizontal center, align vertical center. Background
Sir,
color, you can keep it as orange. Yeah.
सर मेरी स्क्रीन पे कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है.
Okay. Share your screen fast.
We have to
Work
simply
fast.
add the screen.
सर
Yeah.
जितने भी अभी तक हमने बटन्स के नाम लिखे उन सबके हमें स्मॉल में करने हैं.
Yeah, it is happening with image picker. You can do the name in capital also for buttons. But I will suggest you to do it in small only. Yes, Rajvi, you can share your screen. Okay. Anybody else is having any problem in their screens?
Sanyu, quickly do the about one because we are losing the time and the that activity will start at 4:30 and that quickly do.
Okay, Tanishi, I will look your query. Just a second. Okay, so in this screen, this is your task for today. You have to make the screen. In this screen, you have to only add a label. And in this label, you have to change the properties. You can do font bold, font italic, and font size as per your choice. And width will be fill parent. And these points that I'm telling you, you do this. And the rest of the thing you will do after the session. Now the
And I'm
text,
also taking the screenshot.
yes.
We have to in the screen too. We have to change screen orientation to landscape only or sensor.
Screen 2 will be sensor. Yes, so now a new thing. If you know that in label, if we write text, then we cannot. Yes.
सर मैं अपनी स्क्रीन पे लेबल वाला लेके आ रही हूँ तो वो टॉप पे चले जा रहे हैं एकदम बीच में सेंटर में नहीं आ रहा.
Yeah, I will do that. First, you follow my points. So the if we write the text here for the label, then it only goes in a straight line. Like if we want कि first line में थोड़ा सा text आ जाए, उसके बाद हम second line पे jump कर जाएं. So that we can do by adding this thing, \n. This \n is used for jumping to another screen. Other line. Like अगर हमें अब इस label के बाद दूसरे line में text लिखना है, so we need to add another label. But if we use \n, then we can do this function in one label only. So it works like I am writing name. I am writing my name. Now I want to jump to next line. So I will write \n. Now I will write class and I will write 7. So see, it comes like this. और \n लिखा हुआ नहीं आएगा. It is just for jumping to next line. Okay. It will not come written.
सर मेरा
So
लेबल फिर भी नहीं आ रहा है.
yeah, because आपने क्या करा होगा, यहाँ पे अलाइन वर्टिकल या हॉरिजॉन्टल में से कुछ सेंटर में नहीं करा होगा. You have to do it in center only. See this? Okay, so
and
it is
an
your
important announcement. Please listen. That we have to do the class, this class till 4:15 only. So the coding of this app we will be doing tomorrow.
Arush, you can just do the coding and explanation will be done tomorrow because still we are having much time. 20 minutes we are having.
So
Yes,
we can do the
Gursahej, you can look for this. और अगर वो फिर भी नहीं होता है तो आप टॉप से ही शुरू कर लो. इट डजंट मैटर्स क्योंकि ये आपका खुद का टास्क है.
सर सेंटर में तो आ गया, उसमें लिखना क्या है?
उसमें आपको अपना नेम, क्लास एंड सेक्शन लिखनी है. वो अभी नहीं, आफ्टर द क्लास. दिस इज योर टास्क. सो नाउ
Excuse me,
Arush, you can,
Sanyog.
yeah.
No. Excuse me, Sanyog. As we are only left with about 20 minutes, about 20 to 25 minutes, so you can solve their queries and the explanation of the designing, because I can't do the coding in such a short time.
No, they will
Excuse
just
me.
only copy you, and in the next session, first you explain the code, and then I will carry on with the other part.
No, you
Excuse,
explain the designing only. Wait a minute. Because in the coding also they will ask they will have some queries. Okay, so you add the image component and their introduction in screen 2 and all. You explain all the things. We will do the coding tomorrow.
Okay, so yeah. So in this label, you can do quickly font bold, font size 24, width as fill parent, and now you have to write your all the information, and the format for that will be I will tell you. First you will write the name. See here, okay, this this thing you have to see here. Okay, so now you have to write name. You can either use equals to or you can use a dash. Now write your name, and then now to jump on next line you have to use a backslash and then n, then a space and then your class, then again a space backslash n, then again a space, and then you can write your school. Okay, your information will come, don't copy my text. This is my information, and in this you have to write your information.
सर मेरे को समझ नहीं आया नेक्स्ट लाइन में कैसे जाना है
देखो आपको पहले आपको टेक्स्ट लिखना है आपका नेम, उसके बाद आपको नेक्स्ट लाइन पे जंप करने के लिए सिर्फ करना है बैकस्लैश और एन. सी लाइक यू विल राइट फर्स्ट योर नेम के बाद डैश, उसके बाद यहाँ पे आपका जो भी नेम है वो लिखोगे, उसके बाद आप यहाँ ऐसे लगाओगे बैकस्लैश एन, एंड देन आफ्टर दिस यू विल राइट योर क्लास. तो वो क्या होगा कि आप जब आपका नेम के बाद ये बैकस्लैश एन लगा रहे हो, इसके बाद आपकी जो क्लास है वो नेक्स्ट लाइन में आएगी. इट विल कम इन नेक्स्ट लाइन. Otherwise, what happens in the label, everything comes in one line, one single line only. But if you use backslash n, then the line changes. Now after school, you can write your email ID. Okay. And do this quickly.
Mail ID is not necessary.
Yeah, this is not necessary, but if you want, then you can write.
And you can also add a image of yours.
Yeah, image component. Yes, yeah, you have learned now, I think.
Please retell them.
Yeah.
excuse me.
Yes.
My text is not coming in the center, and I changed that.
Okay,
Everything
no
and width
problem.
also.
That is not a big issue. अगर वो center में नहीं आ रहा, then also no problem. Yes, so now you have to add an image of yours. So now quickly drag and drop this image component into your screen like this. And now you have to upload. I told you what is the source. The picture part is the thing we will upload. It will look there for the picture, and that it will upload. So I am taking any random picture that I will find. Yeah. So I will upload this picture, but you have to upload picture of yours. आपको अपनी photo upload करनी है. Okay, so like this your screen 2 will look, and when you will press this button, about button. Yes, okay, when you will press about button, then the screen will automatically open. जब आप आउट बटन प्रेस करोगे तब ये स्क्रीन खुल जाएगी. Okay, so now it is query time. Please, you can ask a query in 5 minutes, and then we will end this session.
सर आपने ये स्क्रीन कैसे लाई ऊपर ब्लू वाली?
This one.
यस सर.
ये स्क्रीन नहीं है, ये इमेज है. आपको क्या करना है, ये इमेज है ना कंपोनेंट.
यस सर.
You have to drop this in your screen. Drop this quickly. Usage, have you
sir.
dropped it?
Excuse me, Sanyo.
Yes.
I have taken the screenshot of the attendance.
Okay, I have also taken that.
Are you recording the session or not?
Yeah, it's on recording.
Okay, so quickly send me the recording. I will post it on YouTube, and I will also send to principal ma'am and all.
Yeah. Okay, so now you have to upload a picture. I told you that picture. This is the source for which this image component looks in your device. Now click on upload file. Then you have to click on choose file. Then from here you can just choose your file. I am choosing this tic-tac-toe game file, and like this it will come. You have to upload a picture of yours. ठीक है?
And I am saying that other than Gur Sahej, not a single person who is in the basic batch have uploaded the image or video of the app that is being in the phone.
Yeah,
Sir?
you can upload it.
सर
Yeah.
सर मेरा जो नेम क्लास सेक्शन जो है वो मींस एक ही लाइन में आ रहा है और उसके साथ जो स्लैश एन लगाया था वो भी साथ में लिखा आ रहा है.
अच्छा, आपने कैसे लिखा है? Like this you have written or like this? आपको फ्रंट स्लैश नहीं लगाना, आपको बैक स्लैश लगाना है. Make sure
सर
this.
मैंने ये वाला लगाया है ब्लैक स्लैश.
This one.
यस सर.
Okay, show screen. Show your screen. Yeah. Please show that text.
सर व्हाट?
Process. So show the text part where you have written the text.
Yeah. Can you please go up or erase the text? Erase the text.
No, width will be fill parent, text alignment will be center.
Yeah, that also I have not done. Please do that. And then write, then it will come properly.
सर आई हैव डन.
No, not this. In the label, in the label. In the label, you can see the width property.
यस सर.
Do it as fill parent. Width, not height, width. Fill parent. Now go down. Yes, Rajvi, I am coming to you also. Just a second. Now you can see the text alignment.
यस सर.
Do it center. And now type the text.
ओके सर. थैंक यू.
Yes, Rajvi, now you can ask.
I was asking that what will be the use of this screen 2?
Yeah, the use of the screen will be like the users can know that who has developed the app. Like this about button we have added for knowing about this app. You can say knowing about the developer of the app. You are the developer. So if the user click on the about button, then this screen will open. So he can know. And here you have dropped your email ID. So in case of any query or any issue regarding the app, he can contact you via the email. So this is the use of the scheme. Okay.
Okay, so now Rajvi, are you having any query?
No.
Good Sage,
Yes.
are you having any query? Okay, and Keshav, are you having any query?
Keshav, please, you can unmute and say if you are having any query.
Okay, then Tanishi, are you having any query? What?
No.
Okay, and Jaslin, are you having any query?
I will ask tomorrow.
Okay.
No, you can ask. We are still having 5 minutes if you are having.
Okay then, so now we should end the meeting.
Okay, so
Still-
today's session ends here.
Still, if you are having any query, yes.
सर जो मैंने अभी क्लास लिखी है उसके आगे स्लैश एन लिखा आ रहा है.
Okay, sure. Yeah, because your N is capital, N small में होना चाहिए.
ओके सर.
Okay, so now I am ending the meeting, and now you can ask your queries in the group only. Okay. Yeah, still you are having any query, or you can leave now if you are not having.